Hello everyone and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to make your phone automatically say the name of the person calling you. Step 1. Open the phone app on your device. Step 2. At the top right, tap the three dots, then select Settings. Step 3. In the menu, scroll down and tap Answering and Ending Calls. Step 4. Now, tap Read Caller's Name aloud. Step 5. Turn the feature on. At this point, you'll see two options. Read aloud only with Bluetooth or headset. Always read aloud, whether you're on speaker or not. Personally, I chose always, so the phone announces the caller's name in every situation. And that's it. From now on, your phone will say out loud the name or number of the person calling you. It's super useful, especially if you're busy or don't have your phone in front of you. Try this feature on your device and let me know in the comments if it works for you.